Today, we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a liner lock. The liner lock is hidden within the handle. This particular knife is equipped with a spring assist mechanism, which completes the opening process of the blade after the user has applied physical force. To start the process using either the flipper or the thumb stud as two ways of deploying the blade. To use the flipper, make sure none of your fingers are resting near the blade. Use the index finger and pull back the flipper, and the blade will deploy with the help of the spring mechanism. To use a thumb stud, push towards the side of the thumb stud and the spring mechanism will deploy the blade. To close the blade, if you are holding the handle with the right hand, push the liner lock towards the left so the blade tang disengages from the liner locked position, and fold the blade back into the closing position. That's it for now. We'll be back in the master cutlery demo rooms with more helpful tips real soon.